Enjoy the journey of learning with Anil Kumar. Here is solution of question number 1. The top of a lighthouse is 90 meters above the sea level. The angle of elevation from the deck of a sailboat to the top of the lighthouse is 26 degrees. Calculate the distance between the sailboat and the lighthouse. In this case, the first step will be to sketch the diagram. We are talking about a sailboat which is some distance away, making an angle of elevation of 26 degrees to the top of the lighthouse. So, let's say that this is the sea level and we are able to see a lighthouse somewhere, the angle of elevation being 26 degrees. So we can label this diagram. So that is 26 degrees. This is assumed to be at right angles. Top of the lighthouse is 90 meters, so this side is 90 meters. So let's say this is the boat for us, right? So this is the top of lighthouse. We need to calculate the distance between the sailboat and the lighthouse. So let this distance be x. So that is what we need to calculate. Perfect. So now our sketch matches the description. We have a right angle triangle. So we can see that we have a triangle which is BLT in this case, which is a right triangle. Perfect. So we can apply the trigonometric ratios to solve it. Amongst the ratios we have learned, sine is the ratio of opposite to hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent to hypotenuse, tan is opposite to adjacent. So which ratio should you use to solve the question? If you look from the angle 26, we are looking at the side which is opposite to 26 and to the other side which is adjacent. So that means opposite and adjacent means we are looking at the trigonometric ratio tan. So I hope first concept this should be very clear. Which ratio to use to solve the problem? Since opposite and adjacent sides are involved with the angle, tangent ratio is the right thing. So we can write down now the equation in terms of tangent ratio. So we get tan of 26 degrees as equal to the ratio of opposite side, which is 90, over what we need to find, distance of the boat from the lighthouse, x. Cross multiply to solve this equation, x equals to 90 divided by tan of 26. Absolutely clear, right? Use calculator. You should set the mode to degrees. So we have 90 divided by tan of 26 degrees, and that gives us 184.52. Correct. So we'll write down our answer that the distance is approximately, we can approximate it to a whole number, right? In this case, 185 meters. Correct. Makes sense, right? So we found that it was 184.52. Sometimes it is given in the question, rounded to so many places. In this case, it is not given. And looking at the numbers 90 meters and 26 degrees, it makes sense to make it a whole number. So we can say that the distance of the sailboat from the lighthouse is 185 meters. I hope it is absolutely clear. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.